Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Global Sodality for Health is Wealth. Today we out here making home remedy video for sore throat and common cold. You could also use this to treat if you want to lose weight, if you want to treat belly fats and all that. You could use lime and ginger and honey and all that. But for the sake of this video, I'm treating my common cold and sore throat. So I decided to make this video. So here I am. I got fresh lemons, ginger, and I got a bottle of honey from the grocery store. So I got them, brought them home, washed them, and I'm peeling them. Some people prefer to grate them, but now I prefer to peel them off for the sake of my video, treating my common cold and sore throat, So grab the lemons, wash them, peel them, chop them off. Take your time. Make sure you observe hygiene because you're trying to treat something that's dropping your immune system, so you don't want to add up germs and all that. Yeah, so you make sure everything is clean, your hands are clean, and ginger and lemon and everything is well washed away, peeled off, and placed in a very clean environment. So you grab the lemons, chop it off as you want, the size, whatever size you want. Some people prefer to squeeze them into the container wherever they're going to have it drained from. Yeah. So you could squeeze it, you could chop it off. It's up to you. But for me, I prefer to chop it off. So after that, you could grab the ginger, peel it off. Make sure you peel it off. And then you get it chopped on the board. It depends on whatever size you want to have it in. You could chop it up in cubes, diamond, whatever shape. It's up to you, right? Or you could grate them. But for me, I choose to grate them. So yeah, as you can see, I'm doing my thing. I got to get this cold going out of my body, My voice, I'm so sorry. This video, my voice is so bad because I'm trying to treat my cold and sore throat. So yeah, you grab the ginger and the grater, and then you go ahead grating them, or you could chop it off. All right. That would take you a little time, but you gotta be patient and be careful as you use the grater because this device is very sharp. So after that, you can place it in the flask where you're going to save because you want to make so much. It's going to be a beverage for the whole day. Like it is my drink for the whole day. So I'm saving a lot more in the flask, where I can just keep drinking it. It's warm. It's going to be hot. The flask is going to keep the temperature very hot. So I could just refill my teacup whenever I want to drink. So yeah, so I'm adding the grated ginger and the sliced lemon or lime into the flask, and I got my water on the stove already boiling. I guess we're gonna look at it pretty soon. So I also got a little bottle of honey that I'm gonna add to this. Yeah, but in the meantime, let's finish up this. Let's keep going. Let's add this up into the flask. We're almost there. There you go. Come on, bro. Let's go. All right. We got it into the flask. Now we're going to add our honey. Right. That's an unfiltered honey right there. As you can see, it's rich. It's natural. It's organic. Yeah. Well, I'm sorry. I'm from Africa. I'm not used to measurement. You could use tablespoon, 2 to 3 tablespoons at your taste. I mean, whatever taste you want, because this is very acidic, especially with the lemons or the lime. So you want to sweeten it at your taste, like I'm doing it to mine. All right, here's the water. Water should be ready now. It has boiled up to 100 degrees, right? So I got to empty this boiling water into the flask where everything is mixed up with the honey, ginger, and lemon. And you close the container and you have to mix it properly. So you got to shake it, bruh. There you go. Shake, shake. You got to shake what your mama gave you and get that cold out of your body. You know what I mean? Yeah, get that sore throat going away. Now it's shaked up well, and I'm just going to serve myself and see how I can get the first cup going down. There you go. Right. Oh my God, look at the steam. It smells so good. There you go. Look at that. I bet, yo, you want to have a cup right now. There you go. It smells so good. Right. All right, that's it. It's so good. It tastes good. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the notification button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, follow us for more. You can check my Facebook page or my Instagram. A lot more there coming up for you. See you next time, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend and a happy, blessed week for you. All right?